Good afternoon guys, how's it going? I feel like I say this in almost every single video now, but we don't have a lot to get done today. But let's be honest, we're probably gonna end up running late. You guys already know how it goes. Today, once again, we're gonna be working on the BRZ, so let me just pull it into the garage. Who said bags aren't useful? Look at that, I just aired out the back, aired up the front, and look how much space I have to work now. I didn't have to put the car on ramps. I didn't have to jack it up or anything. I have so much room to put the splitter on. Now thinking about it, I don't think anyone's ever said that bags aren't useful. Along with putting the splitter on the front of the car today, we're also gonna go to the back and fix something that, not gonna lie, I kinda messed up. So I know I did this a little while ago. Many of you may not have even seen the video. And if you guys wanna see the video, I'll leave the link in the description. But a little while ago, close to a year ago, I spray painted the front of the BRZ. I spray painted this middle part, that side part, glossy black because it turned into this ugly plastic faded color, and it looks so much better now. So you guys have every right to clown on me in the comments right now. Basically, the logic I used was that it worked in the front, so it would work in the back. Long story short, two different types of plastics, it didn't work out. So basically, I tried mimicking what I did in the front on the rear diffuser, and from a good distance, like here, it doesn't look too bad. But when you get up close, it's a little dirty, but I don't know, the paint looks just a little weird. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see through the camera, but you can see that it ran a little bit, and obviously that's my fault. Something you guys haven't seen is this exhaust hole cover. I finally got an exhaust hole cover. I still have to screw in this top bolt into the diffuser right there. But yeah, I finally got one, so I only have one exhaust hole since I do have the single exit Tome. After I repaint it, it's still gonna sit like this. So it doesn't look too bad. I just have to repaint it so it looks much better when you go up close. And even though it's not perfect, it looks much better, this glossy color, than it did that ugly, fadey, plastic grayish color. Now what I think happened is that since I was trying to do it very fast, I didn't sand it down properly. I didn't wait for the paint to dry before I layered on more layers of paint. Today, however, is gonna be a little different because today I'm gonna take my time in sanding and I'm gonna give it a good 15-20 minutes for the paint to dry before I layer on more paint. So here is the lip that's going on the BRZ. I didn't wanna go too crazy. I just got the normal STI lip, and this was kind of hard to find because they have a bunch for the 2016 and unders, but since I have the 2017 and you know they changed up the bumper, you have to change up the lip too. So this is a 2017 STI front lip. Nothing too crazy, it's not too aggressive, it's really subtle. I don't have any side skirts. I don't have, like, you know, a custom rear diffuser yet, so I didn't want to go too crazy with the front lip. I want to debadge this for sure. I just don't like that look. So for some reason, they decided to put 3 holes to hold the STI badge in, which honestly, I don't understand why. But after I debadge it, there's going to be 3 holes just showing there, so I'm going to have to Bondo that up, sand it, and then paint over it. I don't understand their logic behind this. For a little ass STI badge, they have 3 holes going into the front lip. But on an STI, you see a big ass badge on the front of the STI and a big ass badge on the back of the STI, and that has no holes in it. That's just some really strong adhesive. Subaru, what the fuck? Just as a joke, who thinks I should put this on my car? Obviously, I'm not gonna drill holes into it, but I'll take some like 3M tape and I'll like put it here or maybe even put it on the back. We're gonna make sure we don't lose this and put this in a very safe place. Right there. So I'll be 100% honest with you guys, this is my first time ever using Bondo. So, you know, like a noob, I'm reading directions and I see this. If it's swallowed, how do you accidentally swallow Bondo? They obviously put that there because it must have happened in the past. Someone please let me know. How do you accidentally swallow Bondo?
Let me take the time, I know you like when I describe it. I've been lying to myself, truth I wanna hide it. Fall in love in 7 days a week, I won't describe it. I've been trying many things, but nothing comes as close as flying in the same plane as you. Fuck it, we can make it getaway.
After reading the directions, I think that this is for metal, but if it doesn't work on the plastic front lip, well, you guys saw it here first.
Backwards and breaking roads, cool. Got a couple things I think that I could really get used to. You threw it through the saying that you leaving the bruise too. Fuck it, I'm equivalent to something you ain't never seen. Your life ain't the same, so why you pressure me? I'd rather be the only one getting these feelings. I've been running so low.
So the reason why I put the Bondo down is to cover up the 3 holes. Once it gets all hard, I'm gonna go ahead, sand it all down, try to make it a smooth surface. then paint over it so it's just one continuous thing rather than one continuous thing with 3 fucking holes in the middle.
I can't really say I hope you see me. Truthfully, I'm fighting feelings, I don't think I need it. You need this, probably more than anybody else. Got my head floating in the clouds, buddy. I ain't touching down till I see we good. Yeah. Cause I don't really wanna feel the Lord. Done it all before, so you want it now.
So you can already see that I kind of already started spraying. I sprayed underneath of the splitter. I put 2 coats of regular black. Now I'm gonna do the top of the splitter, and we're gonna do about 3 to 4 coats of black and then 2 coats of gloss.
Could've made less. Getting no messages on the daily say you made yet. Fucking where my raise at. Yeah, it probably pending. And I sell a short dog, there ain't dependent.
Didn't I call it? I told you guys that we were gonna somehow start running late. It's currently 3:24 p.m. I'm supposed to meet up with one of my friends that's gonna be taking pictures of the BRZ today. He's finally available, so I definitely wanna make it to his photo shoot today. We haven't taken any pictures of the BRZ since it got rewrapped, so I definitely wanna do that today. Even if we don't finish the front lip by then, I can still make it to the shoot. But the BRZ is gonna look so much better with the front lip, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of a move on it. I'm sure some of you already know this, but a little trick that I like to do is put the spray can in hot water for a little while. So this spray can is really, really hot right now. I'm gonna give it a good shake, and since the can is really hot, the paint comes out a lot smoother. Damn, it looks so much better glossy. I definitely didn't want to leave the splitter matte because, you know, I have the whole matte wrap. I figured if I made it glossy black, just like that plastic of the bumper is, it would kind of go along with it. I feel like a matte accent would look kind of weird on the car since the car has all glossy black accents. I almost did it, but I caught myself. I started speeding up painting because, you know, the time was getting closer and closer. I started painting really fast and I didn't let it fully dry for like a good 2 coats. And I just took a step back and I was like, you know what, no, I don't want to mess this up and then redo it, because everybody knows if you don't do it right, you got to do it twice. Called up my buddy Juan, told him I wouldn't have the lip done in time. He told me don't even worry about it. Huge shout out to you, Juan. He said tomorrow that I can meet up with him and tomorrow we can take pictures, and that's awesome because that'll give me time to finish my lip properly. That'll also give me time to finish my diffuser. Quick little change of plans. I'm not going to be working on the car right now. I just closed the garage, pulled the car in. We're heading up to North New Jersey. I have to pick up a part for something that we're going to install very soon on the BRZ. I'm heading up to High Intake Performance. Huge shout out to Eric from High Intake Performance for always hooking it up. We're gonna head there right now and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I let the lip dry overnight and it looks so damn good. I know I said that I wanted to repaint the rear diffuser as well today. I probably won't get around to that today. I definitely want to put the lip on. Juan's gonna be coming very, very soon and we're gonna go out and take some pictures. There's a little bit of dripping going on over here, but then again, it is just a lip. I'm expecting to scrape it a lot, so I'm gonna have to repaint it again. Holy crap. But yeah, the front lip is in. It looks absolutely killer. Can't wait to see if it touches the ground or not. It only gives like about an extra inch to the ground. Damn! I'm not touching the ground yet, but we're getting there, boys. Just got to the first spot. Juan's already starting to take some pictures. Yeah. I'm in the way. It's my car. Yo! Yo, Juan, you looking thick, boy. The road I'm on kind of is like a hump, so it's kind of weird. My back looks like it's not even completely aired out, and the front on this side looks a lot higher than the front on that side. Headed to the second spot. made it to the second spot right in front of all the water. You think we can get some good shots, man?
We're in Tokyo. No, we're in wannabe California.
Honestly, dude. I know a lot of you guys are always clowning on me, telling me to put my light in. I can't put my light in. Look at this. Whenever I air out, this thing just kind of pushes down and my light pops out. Now when my light pops out, it'll just pop out and I wouldn't even know it and it'll just fly off in the highway. That is what.
But does your pussy pop?
What?
There's so many families around right now.
So, we're a family. We're a family.
Let's pretend he didn't. Yo, look who they got coming after you, bro.
Oh shit.
They got, but yeah, that's the reason why I don't put this in. It's literally because I can't. Well, I can put it in, but I'd have to shave off the light and holy crap, this truck is so damn loud. I'd have to shave off the light and that's gonna take a few hours that I'm just too lazy to give up to do this. So for now, from far away, it just looks black.